What is up, my YouTube friends? Hey, my YouTube friends. I finally have a name for my railroad. That's not backdrop. It came in a picture frame. Uh, but I'm just sitting here pondering, you know, thinking really hard. Came up with a name, but I'm not too good with computers. I'm not too good with Photoshop, so I am throwing this out there for some help from one of you. Okay, I don't need many, just one, just one. One that's good with Photoshop. I have some ideas in my head that can help me make a logo for my railroad. So if that's you, contact me, make a comment, and we'll get together and we'll make this happen. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned because big things are coming for this little railroad.